Today we are going to continue our lecture. So you can easily understand how can you create the sign up systems from scratch, because we are not using any third-party auth system. Some persons also working on the auth systems. We also discuss about that particular auth system, but for now we are creating the sign up system from scratch. Okay, so here as you can see we have successfully inserted the values. We have successfully sending the emails to the users, and we have successfully created or designed the activation system for your e-commerce store or for your application. So what happens here, let's suppose if you are a user, because you are not validating the email address here, this is a new user, you are not validating that either a particular email is already exist or not. You are just direct inserting the values here. So what you need, you just need to verify the email. So let's suppose I'm saying where you email equals to which this email. Now what happens, I'm saying check user, check already user, let's suppose check already user, and now because you receive the array find all, so you need the find all, and definitely you receive an array. I'm saying if array greater than 0, that means you have successfully received the values. Then you have to use the error. I'm saying the email is already exist. Otherwise I'm going to use these things from here to here. Fine. That means if the value is already exist, then you have some kind of errors. If the value is not exist, then definitely you have to insert the values and send the email to the user. Okay, sounds good. Now as you can see I have already created the account. Now I'm going to create the same account once again. Password is KK. Create the user. So as you can see it's saying the email is already exist. So in this way you can validate the email if the user is already exist. So now you have successfully created the sign up system. But in the next lecture we are going to discuss about the flash data. How can you redirect with the error by using your flash data, and how can you check the flash data in Codeigniter so you can easily redirect your user to a particular URL with some errors. So I hope you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.